CME. Down, down,
And
CME.
the reason for being here is that cheese is traded here at the CME, and whatever the 40-pound block cheddar market is here at the CME is what my milk price ends up being. There's around 30 companies that fill out what's called the National Agricultural Statistics Service survey that gets sent to USDA in Washington, and those figures get put into a formula that figures out my milk price. And whatever cheese trading is here ends up directly determining my price of milk. And at any given time, there's probably only 2 traders on the 40-pound cash cheddar market, and that being Jerome Cheese and Shriver's. And 2 players don't really make a market, and when 2 players decide the value of a product that decides my family's living and my family's income, that is wrong. And we're here to let people know that that is wrong, and to expose the players that use and manipulate this system. The only thing more thinly traded is natural gas, and the second is dairy products. And all we have to do is remember Enron to remember how well natural gas trading went. And it's pretty much the same for dairy. Markets take major swings without any justification. They always say it's supply and demand, but if you supply milk, if you graph milk production and graph consumption and retail price indexes and farm price indexes, there is no way you can compute the market swings that we take in dairy. We have 30 to 40% swings in cash cheddar markets from month to month, and farmers can no longer manage these types of price swings, especially in today's economy and market. So again, we're here to let the people of Chicago know, and the people that work within the CME, that this is an unfair market, and we ask for justice, and our farmers need to be paid. Just as our workers need to be paid, our teachers, police, fire, all deserve to be paid a living, and that's all we ask for. Pay us a living. Thank you.
But when the price of cheese is set here in the CME, it immediately goes over to the European Union, and from there, all over the world.
Down, down, CME. Down, down, CME. Down, down, CME. Down, down, CME.